In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable chats in Roblox. If you are no longer receiving chats or messages in Roblox, then let me show you how you can fix this problem once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to enable your chats in Roblox, go ahead and log into your account and then head to more options here. From here, scroll down till you see settings, and under settings, head to this option, privacy and content restrictions. Now under this, head to communications option, and here we have three options: experience chat, party and camera input. Choose the first option, experience chat, and here we have chats for experience and direct chats. As you can see, currently they are disabled, and that's why no one can send me chats. To enable both, go ahead and tap to everyone on experience chat, and also under direct chat, these are DMs. Go ahead and tap to everyone, and the changes will be saved successfully. From now henceforth, all chats that will be sent to you will be received directly without any issue. So that's how you can enable or fix chats issue on your Roblox account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.